Hello.
Hello, I am Dr. Sandip.
Thank you for inviting me. Hi guys, I am Atin Chatterjee, student of environmental science.
Hello everyone. I am Susmita Majumder.
I am doing my MSc from Calcutta University.
I am working as a faculty in a college in South Kolkata at present.
I also do wildlife photography.
Also, I am pursuing my PhD from VU.
I'm not that much familiar to talk that much in formal way, but it's okay because she is doing very good, very good work.
Happy New Year. Where was I all this time? I was very busy. So here we are, another episode. This time, there are people from all over colleges like professors and everyone
to study the role of mitochondria in human milk mutations, other diseases like Parkinson's disease, lung cancer, Wilson disease.
After joining graduation course, started photography from 2015 as a portrait photographer with my Nikon D5200 with 1855. My college teacher, Dr. Arijit Chattopadhyay, assistant professor, Sulos College, who insists me you should go in bird watching because I have a subject ecology. So I started my first bird photography journey in Sadragachi Jheel 2016.
At present, my focus is to complete the research work that I have started earlier.
And obviously, I choose wisely when before doing some work. The process is very important. The ideas and the process is very important. Whatever work you want to do.
My subject is genetics, that is specific human genetics, mainly PCR RFLP sequencing based approach.
After that, I have joined WWF India. They selected me for bird watching trip. I changed my focus from portrait or street photography to bird watching or wildlife.
To give my best in my professional work, that is in college, I am pursuing my PhD in my specialized subject of my post-graduation, that was genetics and molecular biology.
Whenever I do some work, I never look at the final product because I believe in the excerpt from Kormo Kore Jao, Pholer Asha Koro Na. So keep doing your work or don't expect any result.
I try to do whatever task I am given wholeheartedly and try to complete it within the time.
I am doing my masters and I am now working with air pollution. I want to do work for people from my heart, from the brain, because both are connected with each other.
I am participating as many as seminars so that I can present oral presentation, poster presentation.
Obviously, I disseminate my research work through research publications in various journals. From the point of view of education and knowledge, I disseminate via different forms of social media like YouTube, Facebook group, Biologic Official.
Doing something by your heart and completing it within the specific period of time is another kind of happiness which you will be able to do.
The wildlife photography is very costly, very costly. I have passion and I go for forest or any sanctuary or take the photos and composite it and then post in Facebook or Instagram, or this will not be a good option because you have to earn. We need money beside our passion or beside our love.
I hope that through my work I would be able to help the geneticists, medical professionals, biological researchers to diagnose these mitochondrial diseases more efficiently.
I disseminate my concept, my ideas, my knowledge to different colleagues and students. It gives me immense satisfaction providing knowledge to every single person.
The time when I have started my research work, that was the biggest challenge at that time. When I was pursuing my post-graduation, at that time I didn't think that I would go into the research field, but my postgraduate, the professors, they have inspired me and influenced me a lot to pursue or think.
It is really difficult to single out a particular challenge or lesson I have learned in my life.
I think if you are a researcher and working in India, your biggest challenge would always be the money, because the fellowship is not at all regular in our countries, and also money devoted for research is very low.
Many people, friends, why I am not good in doctorate or engineering, chemistry, physics, mathematics. I don't care about it because I have to do what I want to do. No one is coming without my family.
Getting the desired result which you are expecting before your experiment is it is the most happiest thing.
But one thing is true that if you are able to overcome those struggling days, you will succeed in life.
Facing challenges each and every day makes us much more stronger. The lesson that I have learned while facing these challenges is having patience.
Because I am very lucky that my family support me. I started my journey with photography, doing my MSc.
We usually get distracted from our motivation. It took a lot of time to publish the first paper.
I am proud of my work that I am doing every single day, that is teaching.
I think while doing these mitochondrial studies, I have stuck for at least 1 year to design some mitochondrial primers, because in RFLP there were some problems. I didn't have any idea of what the immunity is and how it is hampering my work. I have found that there is something called nuclear mitochondrial fragments that are present in nuclear DNA fragments, hampering the PCS of mitochondrial DNA.
I joined NGOs, many of NGOs present in physically, or sometimes I give them money to help the people. What is my first focus point?
Seeing the happy faces of your mother and father, seeing the happy faces of your nearer and dearer one, I think it is the work that I am proud of.
Through teaching, I can connect with students, I can transfer my knowledge from my brain to them, because after all, teaching is the mother of all professions.
I have to rework the total genetic samples I have collected and have isolated, and I have done the PCR sequencing for another time. When I get successful, that was the best moment of my research career till now.
You need to plan the 24 hours time, then when according to your plan you need to work, and whatever you want to do, just give proper time and give your full attention.
I usually give more time to the college work than the time to my research.
More efforts, more time, and from my experience I support.
I guess if you love both, that is, you love yourself and your family as well as you work, and you can prioritize what to do when, you will balance it very easily. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I have to sacrifice one for the another, and then I will compensate.
Invest your time, give your best.
And the remaining time I distribute it with my music and with other reading book or drawing like that.
But now the situation is very frustrating. Maybe it will take more time, but so we have to wait. COVID plays a major role now in our life.
Hope is something that keeps us alive, so never lose hope. We should not lose hope.
There is always a light at the end of the tunnel.
Stop doing what you are doing at that time. If you are studying, stop doing that. You don't need to put pressure in your brain. So if you can do something that you cannot do at that moment, try to do that for 5, 6 and 7 hours. I will not say that. Take break in between your studies.
Everyone is frustrated, so large amount of people working from home, and students, we are suffering a lot, because what we can learn in the classroom, we cannot learn it from online, because it's not possible. From my opinion, the classroom study is best.
In your personal life or in your professional life, there will be failure, there will be struggle, there will be frustrations. You just have to work very, very efficiently, and also you have to take care of yourself.
Just keep faith in yourself, and after all, the darkest night produces the brightest stars.
Just try to have a healthy diet, a balanced diet. When you are under pressure, have some chocolates, some candies. Your brain needs a lot of glucose when it's performing at its highest level.
And many students cannot start their dissertation, and many people have lost their job. We have to be calm.
You pursue a hobby, reading, painting, anything. Also, if you are living with your loved ones, I think every doom and gloom can be turned into open action.
We have to learn more and more, and that time when the opportunity will come, we have to implement it.
Smile on the faces of your near and dear ones makes you more happier, and in the long run it will make you permanently happier. You are like a candle, you are burning yourself to light all those young minds. John, every of you is unique. You are a student of biology, you know this concept very well, that nature favors diversity more than domination.
I don't have any followers, I think, but still, if I have to suggest anything to do, make our society better.
Fight against plastic pollution, because it's actually killing Mother Earth day by day.
Many of you have seen that when we are staying at home during the pandemic, the nature has healed itself. Spread awareness with a bright hope that this new year we will able to tackle the challenges that the life has given us.
Be happy, work with each other. It will be very useful and it will be very fast process and it will be very effective process. So everyone has to come in the field, not in only social media, not only sitting in cold thanda ghar, but we have to come in the field.
Please think of everybody as same. Do not discriminate between anybody. Don't judge anyone. Be kind to everyone.
Marine environment or terrestrial environment, plastic is everywhere now. Please plant at least 10 trees in your lifetime.
Remove that me, my, remove that ego from yourself, perform better. I would wish you best of luck with your studies. Do the things that you are doing by your heart. And thank you. Bye everyone.
Social issue or environmental issues, biodiversity conservation, or in the field work. In wildlife photography, gadget plays a deep role. Knowing the species like flora or fauna, whatever you want to capture it, you have to know about the species. That's it. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Let's do the great work.
Thank you so much. Thank you. My respected teachers managed to take time out of their busy schedule and make this video. I've asked many of the people, but some were very busy. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.